Let's see what we have in our sample case. Our main products include various waterproof cable connectors and terminals. This is a small size waterproof connectors with flexible terminals. This one is M20, which is a bigger size. We also have an M25 and M32 that is suited for high power installation. And this kind of fixed screw model that is more convenient. T-shape, 4 channels, 4 sizes for your choice. We also have some quick connect screwness models, which can save time and labor cost. They are very popular in the current market. We have straight through models and some T-shaped models for your choice.